Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to generate payroll reports. Now, do you need to see where all the payroll's money is going? Augusto makes it super easy to generate payroll reports so that you can stay on top of your numbers and make smart decisions. Now, let's break it down. Step 1, log into your Augusto account. Now, once you're logged in, head over to the reports section from the main menu navigation on your dashboard. Step 2, choose payroll reports from the report types. Now in the report section, you're going to see a bunch of categories. Click on payroll reports, and this is going to show you different options like payroll journal, payroll register, wages summary, and more. Just choose payroll reports from the report types. Step 3, select the report that you need. Now pick the type of reports that you want. For example, payroll journal gives you a detailed view of payrolls by employees, whereas payroll register gives you a pay period summary, while wages summary shows year-to-date wages across your team. So just choose the one that fits what you're looking for. Step 4, set your date range. Now you can choose a specific pay period, a custom date range, or even look at year-to-date information. Now this helps you to pull just the data that you need and nothing extra. Step 5, generate and review the reports. Now click run report or generate, and Gusto will pull the data for you. Take a moment to review the information right on the screen and make sure it matches your expectations. Step 6, download or export. Now if you need a copy of your record or you want to share it with your accountant, just hit download button, and you can usually export as a PDF, CSV, or as an Excel file. And that's it. You've got the payroll data you need right at your fingertips. Now, whether it's for compliance, budgets, or just peace of mind, Gusto Report has you covered. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.